Over and over I've dreamed of this night. Now you're here by my side. You are next to me. I want to hold you and touch you and taste you and make you want no